Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and today I wanted to show you how I do some marketing, business-to-business marketing, and it seems to be pretty successful for me. I usually get a 3% open rate, so let me explain what I do. So I have an outsourcing team that gathers up information for the counties that I'm working in, and I have them gather up the business name, the address, the phone number, the CEO, president, or contact if they find it. I keep track of the ticket number, the letter 1, when I mail it, and the response date. What that allows me to do is be able to keep track of who I sent what letter to, how long it takes them to respond, and if they respond, and then it allows me to be able to send a follow-up email or letter if they haven't done it. So I've got my letter here, and you can see it just says, hello business. I've got my picture, and I make sure to sign it, and then I take my from the desk of Benjamin Plickard, and I've got the address on the back. I fold this up and put this business card in. So I fill it in. I do it in thirds. And then when I stuff them in the envelope, we go through and I make sure to put the business card in like this. And so then when I stuff that envelope like this, and they take it out of the envelope, the business card usually will fall out either on the desk or on the floor. So that's it's one of the things that I do as a marketing trick, and it's worked out really well for me. And this particular product has about a 75% close rate of the 3%. So I hope you found that interesting and enlightening on how I particularly do some marketing. And right now I'm doing this for Indiana Telephone Network and marketing toward Kosciuszko County customers because they are receiving Kosciuszko County REMC fiber, and I want to be able to target the business owners and the businesses that are on that route with telephone service. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.